Now we are going to study that we are going to look at the summary of the what we can say the civics. Federalism is the system of government in which the power is divided between the central authority and various constituent units of the country. There are two levels of government in federalism, federation, that is both enjoys the independent power of each other. A federal system is distinct from the unitary system. In unitary system, only one person is organizing everything, and others just follows the what the authority is saying. The unitary system has either one power of government or the subunities units which are the subordinate to the central government. Then federation are two types, that is coming together federations and holding together federations. And USA, Switzerland and Austria has formed a federation of coming together, while India, Spain, Belgium by holding together type. India is a federal country. The constitution declared India as a union state. The constitution originally provides two-tier system of government, that is the union or the central government and the state government. Then later the third tier of federalism in the form of panchayats and municipalities was added in 1992 with Panchayati Raj Act. The union list contains the subject of the national importance. The central what all things means the central only can do like that, defense like that things. Then state list contains of the subject of the state and the local importance. What are the importance of related to irrigation, health, like that things. Then concurrent list both of the common interest of state and the central government. All states in India do not enjoy the same power. Means some of the states having some special powers that is very clearly written in the articles of 370 and 371 of our constitution. Example, Jammu Kashmir. Then our constitution did not give the status of national language, but Hindi and English was identified as the official languages. Then federal power sharing needed another tier of the government. Hence the government power was decentralized. Means we are in federal government, we can see the decentralization of power. Then decentralization was done so that the large number of problems could be settled in the local level itself, because that the local people know what are their problems, how they can solve it very fast. That's why nowadays we are solving problems very easily. The local government includes panchayats in the villages, municipalities in the small towns, and municipal corporations in the big towns, and whose elections is carried out by the state election commission, but MLA and MP election carried out by the central election commission. Then Porto Alegre in Brazil has carried out the extraordinary experience in combining the decentralization with participatory democracy. Means already decentralization we said, then with the help of federalism we understood. Then in that we are saying like that participatory democracy means the people's participation in decision making and implementing the program like that. Then constitutional status of the local government has helped to deepen the democracy in our country as well, because it is amendment of our constitution, 73rd amendment of our constitution about the local village panchayat and municipalities. That's why we are enjoying the democracy, or the understanding of democracy that is deepening among Indians. Now we are enjoying that democracy in our local area also. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.